Cyber Command has busted a fake call center racket involved in defrauding citizens in the United States. Officials said the operation was carried out after coordinated raids at 4 locations in Bengaluru, leading to the arrest of 2 accused persons. The accused have been identified as Prashant from Delhi and Akash from Uttar Pradesh. Police stated that they were running the fraud network under the name MS QuickBook, falsely posing as representatives of a well-known US-based accounting firm. They allegedly targeted US citizens by offering fake tax-related advice, license renewal services, and counterfeit software license keys. The accused also reportedly used fake American identities to gain the trust of victims and collect money for these fraudulent services. Investigators further revealed that the accused had created a company called Circle Square LLC and used multiple shell companies to transfer and siphon the illegally obtained funds. The raids were conducted jointly by the Cybercrime Police Station Southeast and the Special Cyber Cell based on intelligence inputs. Authorities seized several items used in the operation, including SSDs, CPUs, laptops, mobile phones, and pre-written scripts used to communicate with victims. Cyber Command DGP Dr. Pranab Mohante said the investigation is ongoing to trace the money trail and identify all accounts involved in the laundering process. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.